Should've learned not to mess with me by now. So flap your wings, little bird. Don't you know you're crashing fast? Crashing fast. Little bird, you were flying high with your attitude, but it didn't last. You never heard all the sigh and the cheer as you crash. Little bird, we love seeing you crash. You stoked, burnt your wings, made you choke as everyone sings. You never knew, we all laughed at you, and you couldn't fly, but now you're falling from the sky. So flap your wings, little bird. Don't you know